Contractor Foreman makes it easy for you to create, submit, and manage your submittals. Quickly generate submittals to get electronic approval so that you can stay on track with getting items approved and installed. Oh, the headaches submittals can cause. We automate and track so you can sleep at night. No more faxes or unorganized emails. Notify clients by email and then all of your responses feedback into the submittal all in one place. The last thing we all need is another username and password to keep up with. We do not require your architects or engineers to create an account to be able to respond to the submittal you've sent them. Just click the link and they can securely submit their response, which feeds back into your Contractor Foreman account. And with our Kanban views and filters, no longer will tasks get delayed because you didn't notice it. Our Kanban view sorts your items by columns based on status so that you can instantly see the items that are waiting on you and items waiting on others. And of course, you can include custom fields and track even more information that will then integrate automatically into the appropriate databases and reports. Start a free trial now and see how Contractor Foreman makes it easy for you to up your game when it comes to submittals.